Welcome back, everybody. 25 invested here. I am not setting up the cameras. I am a little lazy. I think I have a bit of a headache coming on, and I was out this weekend, so we are doing this on Sunday, and I will be doing the tax-free savings account, Tfsa, as well as the penny stock account in one video. So over the past month we're up 3%. Over the past week we are up 2%, and all time this portfolio is up 20%. This year though we are up 22%, so we're slowly catching up. Slowly reversing some wrongs that I've done. Yeah. Anyways, $81,000. I think that's a new high. Yeah, I think that's a new high. So we are breaking new highs. I did buy. I made a few buys this week. One being Alibaba, bringing my average down to about $107 instead of $110. Not much, but with all the bad news around Alibaba, I just figured I'll just throw one more share in there. Obviously not much, but I look at that more like a gut check. If I want to be a contrarian, I should reflect that in my actions, and I bought some Alibaba because damn, there's lots of bad news. Bringing myself up to 12 shares. The other amount of money, so there was about $300, the other $200 went into XEQT. So I did buy a little more XEQT this week, about $200, and that is because all the dividend money I will be getting this year will be going into XEQT. All the cash that I have on the side is coming from the, cash. The Horizons High Interest Savings Account, ETF, Class A. I did get a payment from cash, so I re-put that money reinvested it back into XEQT. That's basically it for this week as far as anything notable goes. I am up. The usual companies are up. Bank of Nova Scotia is still slipping a little further down. I think I've seen that at -8 or -10 once upon a time. Berkshire Hathaway is still running up. As a matter of fact, Meta had probably had the best week in the portfolio. I'm still up on Google, 22%, Home Depot, 16%, Intel, 40%, just shy of 40%. I think I've seen that as high as $50 per share, which is very cool to see. Manulife Financial is still going up. That is pretty impressive coming out of Manulife. And Meta, I am up 98.67%. If this goes up to 100, this will be the first stock that I own to hit 100% positive. I'm a little excited for that. Needless to say, I'm pretty excited for that. And I am up $1,859 on that position. So, Meta is killing it. Microsoft also up 47%. NewTek, minus 50%. So NewTek had a terrible week. Nexus REITs still down 13%. RY up 15%. Smart Center down 13%. Walmart up 21%, and XEQT is up 7.71%. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see that too. XEQT in the past 3 months is up 7.48%. Damn. And that against my portfolio for the 3 month is I'm up 9. So I am just beating XEQT, even though XEQT is part of the portfolio. I'm taking on more risk by picking stocks, so I expect a little more than my baseline, which is XEQT. So for now, we hold the edge on XEQT, but that might not always be true, and I will continue to be buying XEQT to take the edge off myself. Anyways, we will move on to the other account. I was actually just about to end the video. That's not true. We will move over to the other account. This is the non-registered penny stock account. I did make a buy this week, bringing my total portfolio amount of money in to $351. So $351 is what I've deposited. $351. And I bought this week. Where are you? UFC was Resource Robex. So I bought 95 shares of this mining oil company, and I am already down 1.8%. That's very typical. But standard uranium up 8%. UFC down 5, which is not the worst it was. Prime up 4%. Orford Mining's actually flat. That's a positive. Metamaterials down 72%. Very fun. GSI, this was up over 55%. It is back down to 47. However, Flight Drones Delivery Canada is now up 16%. So a lot of these companies in my penny stock account are slowly reversing themselves back to something a little more positive. And that kind of shows. All time in this portfolio, we are down 7%. At one point, we were down 18 or 19%. So we are slowly climbing ourselves back up out of a substantial hole. But yeah, I mean, this is a very fun. It would be very cool to see this turn positive, but I will not hold my breath because of the nature of the account. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking with it, and thanks for sticking with the channel. I'm just rounding 800 subs. I can't wait to hit 1,000. It's gonna be a pretty big day. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye now.